Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Friday 13th of May. Alright, so here we are, and we did have a nice bounce today, 30,277, but I don't think the technical target was still met. The technical target still nonetheless remains that this is your bear flag that actually takes you all the way down to $20,000 or $21,000 to say. And unless that doesn't happen, we cannot still get very excited to say that Bitcoin is interested to go to the upside. So once again, this is where you're breaking out. This is where you have to come down, $20,000 or $19,000, and then once you do that, you're actually going to go to the upside. Now there's one more particular problem that I have to bring in, and that is going to be on the weekly time frame. So look at this. What you're doing basically is that you're losing a very important level, and that is it on the weekly or is this on the daily? I actually have to look if this one is on the daily or the weekly time frame. So just a second here, man. What the hell did I actually see this one? Oh, Bitcoin. All right, so it actually came down there. Yeah, here we are. This is actually, it is the weekly. I just actually saw. Okay, so let's go into the weekly, and I actually forgot where I saw this one. So the weekly is a little bit of a problem. Tomorrow is weekend, okay? Tomorrow is weekend, so I don't have any trust in this pump right now. I don't have any faith in it, and I'm gonna actually even tell you why it's not really that much of a trusted pump. For some few reasons, and I'm going to give you all the reasons in a sec. So here we are, and you can see on the weekly, this is your main level of resistance right now, which was support. This is where you bounce off to the upside. So if you look at it, this is where I actually remove the trend line. So what I'm going to tell you is that if I take this trend line and drop it right over there, right over here, just notice how this is a big level that you actually lost. So you had one touch, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, if you look at it this way, if you start to close below this level like this, even below $31,400, that's not good. That's actually ringing a bell to continue with the downtrend. Do you understand that? Or maybe Bitcoin could just make a sideways movements like this and then go to the downside, finally break into the downside. That's the one thing, okay? That's the first thing. Now, the second thing is that Bitcoin is following NASDAQ right now. So if we go to the NASDAQ, look what is going on with the NASDAQ. So on the weekly time frame, once again, everything is losing support. If you actually just look at it this way, then this is what on the daily it actually looks way more clear. So let's shift on the daily. And you are just finding a nice good level of resistance right now. So look at this. This was your last swing high and a nice beautiful W, and then you went up, came down, find support, and look at that. All you did is you went to the downside and you've actually come below it. So it's not a good indicator. That's not a good sign for us to say it's going to go up. If NASDAQ tries to fall down, then you're going to see Bitcoin going down, and NASDAQ has a potential bear flag and a technical target that is still pending. So boom, bear flag right there, and you are looking for the top to the bottom right over there, and it's going to take you all the way down to nearly 10991, which actually means Bitcoin might be dropping 15%, and that actually means altcoins are going to go even way more down, like 40%. So the bottom might be near the 20,000. I do think the bottom could be $20,000. Who knows? From 20,000K, it might be a full send off to 60Ks and the all-time high probably. So before I end the video, let's actually dive into the 4-hour time frame, and let me show you the 4-hour time frame here, because the small time frame actually built the bigger time frame. So look at this. On the smaller time frame, you still are actually coming up to this bear flag. Do you see that? That bear flag actually did play out, but you can see that it's going to act as a big resistance. So it is what it is. We are still finding resistance right now. It's not a good thing. So let me just show you one more time that bear flag. That's how it looks like. All you did is probably went to the downside, and now you're finding resistance and you're looking to go down. If you actually try to cross this level somehow, there's a nice good chance you might go to $37,000. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.